Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Plutonium WAW. First, understand that Plutonium is a client that enhances your Call of Duty World at War experience, offering improved security and additional features. To begin, you'll need to own a copy of the original game. Also, confirm your computer runs Windows 8.1 or a newer 64-bit operating system with a DirectX 11 compatible graphics card and at least 500 megabytes of free C drive space. Next, let's get Plutonium installed. Head to the official Plutonium website and download the launcher executable. Once downloaded, run the file to install it. You'll then need to create a free account on the Plutonium forums. This account is essential for logging into the launcher. After logging in, navigate to the game's settings within the launcher and select your Call of Duty World at War game folder to link it. With Plutonium installed, you're ready to play. Open the launcher and choose either T4 Multiplayer or T4 Zombies for World at War. You can browse available servers to join public games, with many custom zombie maps often available. To play with friends, ensure you've added them on the Plutonium forums. When hosting, start a private match, open the console with the tilde key, and type Xpartigo to begin your session. Friends can then join you directly. Plutonium offers much more than just online play. Benefit from improved security, truly dedicated servers, and enhanced controller support for a smoother experience. The platform also boasts a vibrant community that creates numerous custom maps and modifications, especially for Zombies mode. You can explore these additions and connect with other players through the Plutonium forums for support, new content, and to share your own creations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.